Hey everybody, Jimmy Atkins from Ruddy Man Grooming. Thank you so much for giving me some of your time and attention today. I'm going to try to be brief with this. The first thing I would love is if you would consider subscribing to the channel. That helps us reach more people, and it helps me be able to make content that I know you like. With that said, you can always like this video and click the notification bell so you know every time we upload a new video, and it also helps more people find this video and in turn possibly give them the same information that you're about to receive. Now, we started a new series in our last video called the Ruddy Beast Field Guide. We like to separate all of our collections into different anthropomorphic animals, that is, beasts, who are dressed up like humans. And one of the things I've always wanted to do was kind of explain where our creative mindset, and I say our because my wife is our artist. It's really great to have all of that in-house. So we want to explain to you why we chose the animals that we did, what the scent profiles are, and why we think they should be dressed up the way that they're dressed up, what they're trying to exude, and maybe even along the way give you a little bit of pointers based on what we've heard from influencers, reviewers, and even customers. So with that said, we're going to start the Ruddy Beast Field Guide series with what might be the least exciting scent profile, but quite possibly could be the most important foundational beast of our entire beast lineup. And that is the scent we call Brass Tacks, which is actually unscented. Now, why is this so important? Well, the foundation of any good beard care line is the carrier blend. This is our blend of golden jojoba oil, fractionated coconut oil, a touch of Moroccan argan oil, and of course some of that really wonderful castor oil that's going to really soak up into your beard and make it very nice, vibrant, and healthy. Strengthen it, give it a really nice fast absorption rate. This beard oil has everything you need for your face to have the best man mane you can possibly have. Now with that said, why did we choose this beast to go along with the Brass Tacks collection? I'm glad you asked that, and I'm going to tell you why right now. This is a beaver in an old world construction outfit. He's got a newsboy hat, and he's just one of those guys that builds things. Now, as we know in nature, beavers constantly build and construct. Whenever a beaver is around, you can see where trees have been cut down, hewn down, and dams have been built in rivers, ponds, lakes, you name it. So what we thought would be really cool is with our foundational unscented carrier blend, what beast would be better fitted than one that constantly builds things up? And we want to build better beards, right? So that's why we chose the beaver. He's in construction, he builds, and our carrier blend does just that. It gives you a very wonderful, nice feeling beard, but it also strengthens the hairs of that beard, and it also moisturizes the skin underneath, which by this time most beardsmen know once you start to grow a beard, your skin tends to get itchy. This will alleviate that. We hope that you choose Ruddy Man to help build a better beard for yourself, and check out the next videos because we're going to start getting into different scent profiles, different kinds of beasts, and I'm super duper excited to introduce the rest of the lineup to you. Eventually we'll get to some seasonals and our collaborations, but we're going to start with the main lineup. I think you'll see why very soon. So tell your friends about this series. Be on the lookout for the next video. Remember, subscribe, click the notification bell. If you like the video, please hit the like button. That'll help more and more people find out this same kind of information and possibly make some more Ruddy men out of them. So do me a favor, tell somebody about this video. We'll see you very soon, and remember this, you're not ready till you're Ruddy. Bye-bye. If you haven't tried anything, maybe today's video will change your mind a little bit, get you curious about what we're doing over here at Ruddy Man, and maybe even make you a ruddy man or a ruddy woman. That was stupid. Hey. Hey guys and gals and everybody. This series is called never mind. If you don't mind, before we start, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. You can always unsubscribe. Click the notification bell so that you will always know when I upload amazing content, because all of my content is amazing. I'm just kidding. It might not be, but who cares? Anyway. And like this video. It'll help more. You can always unsubscribe later if it's not in, your wheelhouse of what you like to watch or whatever that can mean. Go ahead and that beast is the Brass Tacks Beaver. Okay? Dang it. It sees my eye.